Hey everyone, Roland this side. I hope you all are doing well. So let's say the problem of the day.
So the problem here we got is delete the middle node of the linked list. Okay, so what we have to do. So for example, we are given a linked list. Let's call it 1, 2, 3, 4. So first of all, we have to find the middle of linked list. For example, 2 here. And you have to delete this connection and connect it to the next node. Okay. So now, so it's gonna become 1, 2, and 4. So okay, so if you remember today, what we do is we used slow fast pointer to do this. So how we are going to use it? Like we have a linked list called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so like that. So what we are going to do, we are going to initialize a pointer called slow and a pointer called fast. We move slow by 1 and we move fast by twice. Okay, again we move slow by 1 and we move fast by twice. Okay, fast by twice. Again we move slow by 1 and we got fast twice. Okay, so what we got here is we got, I mean, slow here, fast here at null, and now fast is null, so we are not going to move forward. So we got slow, so we have to basically delete the fourth node. So to delete the fourth node, we have to have the address of the third node. So we are going to have another variable that is previous slow. For example, previous slow first point to null, and then when slow hops 3 times, it will also gonna hops 3 times. So here it's previous slow. So what we are going to do is going to just connect the node of previous slow to the previous slow next. Okay, so and that's how you're gonna skip this connection, break this connection, and connect it to here. So it's the list gonna become 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6. Okay, that's how we're gonna remove the middle element. So here 4 is the middle element. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The middle nodes are 0, 1. Okay, for 1 it's 0 middle node. For example, here we are given it's 6. So for 6 middle node gonna become 3. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. For 5 and 4 it's gonna 2. Okay, I mean after middle. Okay, post middle. If we in case of even we have to, I mean, we have to remain with left half, and from right half we have to delete the first one. Okay, like that. So what we are going to do is while, okay, first let's initialize the pointer. So first list node, called it slow, and that is equal to head, and another list node, I mean, that is fast, it's also gonna point to head, and another list node that is previous of slow, and that's gonna point to a null pointer for right now. So after that, what we are going to do is while fast is not null, while fast isn't null, and next of fast is also not null, what we are going to do is we are going to just iterate hop like we did. I mean, fast is here just f. So after that, what we're going to do is simply just hop this slow equal to slow next, and previous slow, I mean previous of slow equal to the current slow, and after hopping this fast, let's hop fast to fast next twice. So next, and after that, what we are going to do is when we finish the while loop, we got the previous slow. So what we are going to do is previous slow next gonna become previous slow next. Okay, and after that simply return the head, and after that we're gonna return the head. And one more thing to consider, so if head equal to null and or head next equal to null, we're simply gonna return null pointer. Okay, so that's if head is null or head next is null. If in case of one element we are going to return 0, as it said, in case of one element we are going to return 0. Okay, so after that let's code it and see if it's working or not. So first initialize the list nodes. List node. Hold on while fast and fast next is not equal to null pointer. We are going to hop over it, so previous gonna become slow, slow gonna become slow next, and fast gonna become fast next. Okay, fast next, and after that we got previous slow. What we are going to do is previous next gonna become previous next. Okay, and after that simply return the head. So if we see, yeah, we got test case pass, but in case of one or null we have to do that if head equal to null pointer or head next equal to null pointer. What we are going to do is return another null pointer. Okay, so let's submit the code and see if we got any missing edge case here. Okay, so not so, we got a perfectly fine code. And so let's analyze the time complexity. So we are just iterating once in our loop. Okay, so that's this thing. So after iterating once, what we got is time complexity equal to big of n, and the space complexity we are not using is any extra space, we are just using 2-3 pointers. So that's gonna cost us big of 1, that's in constant time. Okay, so I think, okay, so yeah, that's it for today. I hope you like this video, so please make sure to subscribe to TENZOR and please leave a like. That means a lot for us. And if you have any doubt, please ask in comments. I'll try to reply every possible doubt. Till then, keep smiling and keep moving.